So you want to know exactly how your competitors are booming in an industry and you are still struggling to get some traffic and interaction on your website or platform. No problem, today this is going to be your last video, because after watching this video you do not need to watch any other videos or tutorial like how to get organic traffic on my site, how to increase your site visibility on the internet, how to track your competitors, and many more. So before we start, let me tell you about Zane, a small business owner just like many of you. Zane was struggling with her website traffic and felt overwhelmed by all the SEO tools available on the internet. She needed something that could simplify her digital marketing efforts and give her a competitive edge. And that's when Jane discovered Semrush. With Semrush, she was able to boost her rankings and drive more organic traffic to her site. She started seeing real results in just 3 days. So what makes Semrush so special? Let's explore some of its key features. The number one, keyword research. Semrush helps you to find the best keyword for your niche, ensuring that you will targeting terms that will drive traffic. Number two, site audit. This feature identifies technical issues on your site that could be affecting your rankings. Number three, competitor analysis. Get insight into what your competitors are doing right now and how you can outperform them. Number four, content marketing tools. Semrush offers tools for planning, writing, and analyzing content that resonates with your audience. And number five, backlink analysis. Understand your backlink profile and find opportunity for growth. With all these features and more, it's no wonder why Semrush is the ultimate tool for digital marketers. Now, to use Semrush, first of all, you have to sign up from the link given in my description and claim your 7 days free trial. Then answer these simple questions to customize your experience. Then we have to choose our trial plan. So you can either use the Pro plan or the Do plan. I would recommend you to actually just go for the Pro plan right here if you are just starting out. And once you sign up for the free trial, this is how the dashboard is going to look like. Now on the left, you can basically see all the different features like SEOs, local advertising, social media, content marketing, trends, and agency solutions. So just open SEO now right here. You can then basically see your SEO dashboard. Okay, now just put your website in this box. Now in my case, I'm just going to use this tool tester website right here to actually have an example website. So I'm just going to click on the start now, and now this is actually going to give some recommendation to boost the SEO of the site. Either way, I'm actually going to opt all of this. Okay, now move on to keyword research. So actually you can see there are a lot of tools already available in this section, but my personal favorite is this keyword magic tool. So just click on this. And now write a keyword regarding your niche, like if you are running a shoe store, then type the best shoes under $100 or something. So suppose I sell earbuds on my website, then I type here best budget noise cancelling earbuds. Now select your targeting country and then click on the search button. So you just see within a second, Semrush keyword magic tool give us a full report on this keyword, like how many people are searching this keyword right now. And here you can see that how much your competitors, that the advertiser, are spending to rank their store on selected keywords. And the best thing is that compared to other tools available in the market, Semrush provides you the latest results. So hit the like button for this. Now let's move to the next feature, or its name is site audit. So basically you have to paste the link of your website here in the domain section. and it will provide you with health, errors, warnings, notices, and thematic report of your site. And all these things are very important to be correct for a website, and otherwise this can be impact on your overall website performance. In the same way, you can use features like competitor analysis and content marketing tools, keyword gap, backlink gap, link building tools. For now, I'm not talking about everything in this video. Okay, so what are you waiting for? Sign up for a free trial of Semrush today. Click on the link below to get started and start transforming your digital marketing strategy. And if you are looking for another beast AI tool like this, then definitely go and watch this video.